This is how to reduce the blue light your iPhone emits so you can have better sleep. Research shows that a majority of Americans use electronic devices within an hour of going to bed, which can lead to unsatisfactory sleep. This is a way we can combat that because iPhone has a feature built in to reduce the blue light. Here's how you turn it on. Go into the settings, go to the main settings page, go to display and brightness, scroll down. There's an option called night shift. Tap on that to open it. You can give it a schedule to happen between a certain amount of time. You can manually enable until tomorrow. You see how the screen went pretty red. Like it takes out the majority of the blue light. If you have it up to warm down here, you can have it not so warm. It takes some getting used to. That's a big transition to maximum, but I'm okay with that. I have this scheduled to run for me every day. So you can set these options to reduce your blue light exposure at bedtime, but you don't have to go into the settings every time to do it manually like I have done here. If you swipe down from the top right for the control center, and then you tap and hold on the display brightness, which is this bar right here. And then we have some options down here. We can turn on dark mode, we can turn on true tone, and if we go back in there, we can turn night shift on and off just by tapping that. And that's going to apply the settings that we had in the settings. So if you in the settings put this warmness meter all the way to the max, that's how it's going to appear when you turn it on in the control center. So those are two options to turn on night shift and reduce blue light hitting your eyeballs before bed. I recommend you schedule it so you don't have to think about it. Just make a schedule, make it an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours before bedtime, especially if you wake up in the night and you look at your phone. Blue light plays a role in waking you up. So when light comes through the curtains in the morning into your room, that light carries a bunch of wavelengths, including blue, and blue wakes you up. So it's best to have this set to have it be running all night long on night shift mode so that you can get the best sleep possible. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. I know it sounds strange, and you've probably never done it, and you got to do it on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.